I hope life is kind enough to let me keep you. In every single version I would still choose you. This city's getting quiet, the sky's a hazy blue, and you're the only anchor that I'm holding on to. Streetlights paint wet asphalt in lonely streaks of gold. The city hasn't woken up, the air is damp and cold. Just the hiss of tires on the pavement far away, waiting for the first bus at the breaking of the day. The shelter's glass is fogged from the chill inside my lungs. I trace a shape where new light hasn't yet clung. This little pre-dawn ritual, a stillness I have found, a quiet dignity upon this ordinary ground. My phone screen casts a lonely